Good morning, children. So today we are going to do our dump truck footprint. So here are the materials that needed. So we are going to use yellow watercolor to paint our foot. Use the paintbrush to spread the color, and then you press your foot on the paper. Now we are going to draw wheels. So you can find circle round things at home and trace out just like this. Draw one big circle and then in the middle draw a small circle. Let's draw small window for the dump truck. One square and another one is triangle. Now let's color the wheels with black color. And use another color to color the small circle in the middle. So here I'm going to draw the dumper bucket. It's time to do cutting. Now use your scissors carefully to cut out the wheels, the window, and the last one is the dumper bucket. So for the wheels, we are going to do some pattern on it. Can you see that? It's look much better. Children, while using the scissors on doing this pattern, please use the scissors carefully. So we have done two wheels. Now we do cut out to this window. And last one is the dumper bucket to cut out. So we are going to glue the wheels together with the footprint. Followed by the dumper bucket. We paste on the top, and this is the window. We paste it here. So I'm going to place the smokestacks over here. So in the dumper bucket, we are going to use this brown watercolor and then do fingerprint on it. So you just dip your finger into the watercolor and then you print it at the bucket. And down below here you can write dump truck footprint by your name. You can write your own name. After you finish writing the dump truck footprint on your paper, you can take photo, and if you are able to take video, that will be much better because you can gain more point, right? So in your video you can tell teacher what transportation is this. Is it air transportation or land transportation or water transportation? So that's all for today. Thank you, children. See you again next time.